Take a large t-shirt and put it on your fabric. Pin it nicely in place and then carefully cut out around half of it. Then you can fold it over to make sure it's absolutely even. Print out or draw the shape of the African continent onto a piece of paper and check the size on the front of your t-shirt. Now carefully pin to your fabric and make sure it doesn't move. And then you can cut it out. Use a smaller pair of scissors for the finer, more detailed cutting, as you can see here. And lastly, use a lighter to carefully sear the ends so that they won't fray. Be careful not to burn yourself. Now quickly flatten with the iron. Back to the t-shirt, you can see that I sewed a double seam at the bottom and then sewed along the edges, under the arms, and I created double seams again for the sleeves. And my fabric was very stretchy. I made the mistake that I pulled a little bit too strongly, so be careful if you work with stretchy fabric. I looked back to the t-shirt as a reference for how deep to cut the top of the t-shirt, and then I tried it on to pin it in place. This is the first time I've done it. Then I carefully hand sewed the Africa continent onto the t-shirt. And this is the final result. He was very happy and surprised to receive this as a gift, and I've received more requests ever since. Enjoy making this. It was fun to share this tutorial with you.